So the staff portion of it, this is just for the staff directory for each. And what we were going to do, what we had talked about doing was bulk import of all this. So your preparation for each school will be basically creating a spreadsheet of all the information that we need. If you want to have headshots of everybody, you're also going to need to collect all of that. And then we'll be able to create a folder directory and append them via file name when we do the import. So it would be awesome if you could name the JPEGs the same name as the person, so that we can make a quick relationship when we have to piece it all together. But the actual editing of staff or adding staff, it's going to be very similar to everything else that we've been doing. You plug their name in, email, phone number, website address, any bio information that you want to share. Featured image is going to be where their headshot goes, and you could basically ignore the SEO stuff for this. But the other ways that we had to classify this, which is what we did for Milford, was positions and then grades/departments. So it doesn't have to be that for you guys. We just kind of use the same model, and that works pretty well for them. But,
Yeah, I think that makes sense. Yep.
so that way they can be titled, as a group. And those are things that they'll be able to filter by. So you'll be able to say, show me everyone in this position in this grade, or this department and this, in this grade. And then again, those are hierarchical categories, so you could have grade.
And this is just by school.
Yep. So it's just a filterable live directory of everybody who exists in the school. And then so when someone comes in new,
And then and all their website address, their classroom.
Yep.
Would be right there.
and that's just listed on their profile on the
I like
website.
that.
So, and that's all searchable information through the global search. So if someone's like, I'm looking for teacher so and so, it'll just pull
Will
up.
it
I
allow
don't know
you
my,
to
I don't know my
omit a
kids'
first
teacher's
name?
name, but I know.
Huh?
some.
Will it allow you to omit a first name?
I
Somebody is, I know it's a silly question, but
No.
somebody doesn't want to have their first name in there.
That's why we left. When you enter their name, it's just one field. So you can
Mrs.
you can put in whatever you want. So
right, yeah.
we didn't do it like a first name last name type of deal because we ran into the same types of issues. So
Right.
they could be, the ringmaster,
Oh.
and, whatever you want to do.
I'll have to go look on Milford's website.
Yeah.
See if there is a ringmaster.
Did you do Milford's?
Yes. So that's pretty much it. So process-wise for you guys, school year comes to an end, somebody moves on, new people come in, you got to go in and get rid of the people who are gone, add the new profiles.
Change grades, you can change the
Yep. You just change you could actually.
Married and divorced.
Yep. And you can do that from the quick edit too. Like if they change grades and
Nice.
roles, you don't have to go into their actual profile. You just do the
Can
quick.
you re-upload with just new information? Will it update, or would it add new people?
See what you think.
We're spec to build an uploader, so you could do it so that you would blow away everything that's there and then re-upload everything if you want to do that. It's a little bit more complicated to do a cross-reference update. It would depend on how many changes you have. If it's 10, it's probably not worth it.
Yeah.
If it's 100, yeah, it's probably
Usually
worth it.
10.
Okay, so
Are you planning on using photos?
yeah.
Because that's
That's yet to be decided.